What's the best way to pick a name for your new service or a book or a business? Have you ever done this? You're trying to come up with the perfect name for your thing so that it quickly connects with your perfect prospective people and converts them into clients. And you come up with a whole bunch of options that you're really pretty excited about, but because you're a smart cookie, you want to market test them, make sure they really do the job. So you take your favorites and you share them on your Facebook profile and on LinkedIn and maybe on Instagram and in your community of fans and with your email list and with your current clients and your past clients, all to collect their opinions and make an informed, educated decision that's really going to get you clients. Good plan, right? Actually, not so much. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly why this isn't the great plan you think it is, and even better, I'm going to tell you what's the best way to pick a name for your new service or book or business. If we haven't met before, I'm Wendy White, biz dev strategist for extraordinary entrepreneurs. I help coaches, consultants, and other thought leaders win clients and make an extraordinary impact with their message. And I'm so glad you found me. Hit the subscribe button and get to know my world. Now, let's get right to it. Why is what you're doing such a terrible plan of action? Here's the thing. 9 times out of 10, when you're doing this market research, you're asking the wrong people. If you vet your new name in front of people who are already in your world, who already know your work and understand your concepts, and maybe they've even hired you, absolutely, you can find out if they like the name and if it represents the right concepts to them. However, if the question you are trying to answer with all this research is, will this name sell my blank to new people who don't know me from Adam, this method completely fails. See, anytime you're trying to figure out how someone will respond to a new name, you need to make sure you're asking the right people. So, who are the right people? The potential clients for your new whatever it is. First of all, those people in the right situation. So these are not your friends, these are not your family, not your business BFFs, not the ninjas, gurus, rock stars, and badasses all over the internet. These should be people actually struggling with the problem you're solving. And second, these people need to have the right level of exposure to your business. If you want to know how your name works for people who don't know your philosophy, who aren't already bought into you, then you need to ask them. The closer you can get to those cold people, the better information you will get on cold people. Feedback from the rest of the people, it's just noise. And that's why your names aren't connected with the right people, and that's why they're not converting those people into clients. So the best way to pick a name for your whatever it is to make sure that when you do the super smart strategy of market research, you get the right information because you're asking the right people. Does that make sense? I hope you found this helpful. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe because I'm sharing strategies like this every single week. And hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Now, go be extraordinary.